Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into several 30-minute time slice candles. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very solid move. Compared to where it closed yesterday to compared to where it was right now, I think everyone would agree, yeah, this was a good solid move. But that brings up the question, is there any sort of genuine power behind it? Is there any sort of true strength? Or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce knee-jerk type reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around one level. That's why I love charts. It makes things very simple. And that level is right there at $1.33. Why is $1.33 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.33. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, truly strong moves don't go back, they progress forward. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there, and you'd have this set down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see from the longer term time frame is bulls building higher bases, because that's what leads to overall uptrends. So $1.33, that must hold level. Ideally, if the price can hold up above that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average, that would be the best case scenario. But by no means is that a must hold level or anything like that. The must hold level belongs down there to $1.33 for the reasons we just discussed. In regards to levels of resistance, pretty straightforward on this one. And that resistance revolves all around this pink line up here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. You can see it's already acted as resistance right there. Not saying by any means it can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying that the bulls are going to have to bring their A game next week if they want to, not only break above it, then start to maintain above the level. However you slice it, though, very, very nice day. Nice way to close out the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.